Hey Pyman, so let me explain you how you can make some edits on your homepage because mostly the homepage is hardly coded, but there are a couple of things that you can definitely make the updates, definitely the bio. So when you go to your website, go to website editor. Once you go to a certain section you would like to change, let's say this is the about, go to this widget editor lower button and click on it. It will open the widgets, and here it says Premium About One settings. Click on it, and this will open it for you. And when you scroll down, you will be seeing the place where the bio is. You can free to expand it, and then you can either change some words or completely change the bio or whatever you need to do. Just complete that. After you finish it, just click on save and refresh, turn off the editor, and the change will be visible. In case you need some of the updates on these changes on here, please let us know and our technical support will help you or show you how to do it. I hope this helps. Thanks.